hope you all are well. I pray that you all stay well and happy and prosperous. Today I am taking you to the famous park of Lahore, which is the dearest park of both the poor and the rich as well. Mediocres like this park because they are not expensive swings, they all are reasonable, and if you don't want to take these swings, besides you have a lot of enjoyment here and it's free. The park is so beautiful, and seriously, if you just sit there and walk around and only enjoy things, people, greenery, flowers, swings, you can have a lot of fun for free.
Ajay, are you doing? First you kiss on the flower petal. Why are you kissing on the flower petal? Oh. Call him. Who is outside? Who's there?
Iqbal Park has a small zoo with different creatures and bird species including deer, peacocks and pigeons. It has many recreational rides for children and adults, making it a popular venue for families. It also features a vast artificial lake and a mini zoo.
Cap. Look there. What's there? Duck. Oh,
These scenes looks very beautiful, and standing here feel like you are in the northern areas like Merseyside because there's a grill in front of the greenery and then the water is flowing in front and there are a lot of fish in it. It looks like a very interesting scene. So I spent a lot of time here and enjoyed a lot. You can enjoy the zipline ride in Iqbal Park. It's also being offered in Adventures Park. The zipline is 60 feet high and 900 meters long. The 900 meters length makes this zipline the longest one in the whole country. That means you can enjoy the lengthiest zipline ride, and that too in your own city Lahore. And without the need to travel along and go to Malam Jabba in Sawat, the likes for a single ride is around rupees 150 only and will definitely be worth it.
start getting ready.
On. Great shot. Oh, wow. Hey, Bran.
When the water flows here, it looks like more beautiful because it's the season of dengue mosquitoes, due to which a lot of care is being taken not leaving water in the fountains. All the park administrations are very careful about the water. But if the water is flowing, it looks more beautiful, stunning scene. The Gulshan Iqbal Park is a large park and recreational space in Lahore, Pakistan, with an area of over 67 acres. The park is one of the largest in the city. It's situated in the suburban locality of Allama Iqbal town. The name Gulshan Iqbal is literally translated as the Garden of Iqbal, referring to Iqbal, the national poet of Pakistan.
बुरान इधर आओ बुरान
अभी आपका
I hope this video was very informative for you and you must have enjoyed this entire video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.